Is this just kind of a consolidation sell-off mentality over here in the protein complex today, Oliver? What's your thoughts?
Yeah, I think that's exactly what we're seeing, and quite frankly, it's welcomed. We've been pretty optimistic on the livestock sector for the better part of the last 2 months on the idea that we'd start to see the fund participation pick up, and obviously we've seen that. But what we want to see is a market that stair steps higher. I think that builds for a longer term bullish trend. When you get these markets to go parabolic and straight up, it usually doesn't end well. So I like the fact that we're starting to pull back and consolidate a little bit. The support pockets that we're looking at for April live cattle, 121.55 to 122. This was support on February 1st, and the 50-day moving average comes in right around there too. So we want to be able to hold that on a closing basis. So long as we can do that, I think the path of least resistance remains higher. We've been making higher lows and higher highs. And so the trend is your friend until the end when it bends, and we have yet to bend that trend yet.
That's really well put. We've got what's that?
A tongue twister.
It is, and you got it out there really, really easily. What about tomorrow's export sales? You looking for anything? Because, China has been on their lunar holiday.
Yeah, China being on their lunar holiday, I expect to see kind of a non-event, but I think looking at the longer-term trend, I think they're going to continue to be purchasers of U.S. agricultural products, and I think we're going to start to see that ramp up even a little bit more in the protein complex, and you can see that becoming a trend, and it's reflected in prices as well. Looking at not only the cattle complex, but lean hogs have also been on a nice bullish trend, and we've gotten a little bit of a pullback and some choppiness the last couple of sessions, but I think that we're going to continue to see the fundamentals and the funds support this market going forward.
All right, Oliver, let's talk tonight on the Real Living News. Talk to you then. Have a good afternoon. Back to you, Tammy.